Hi, welcome back to Kimmy's Garage. Today I want to go over our 5th and 6th generation Camaro kits that we have in front and rear. We have 3 configurations of them. We have drag race only, we have street and strip, and we have street and show. Let's go over them right now. Here is a view of the 3 configurations that we offer in our Camaro kits. We have the drag race steel version. We have the cast iron plain vented rotors. We have the drill slotted and nickel plated rotors. On the Aerospace Components 5th and 6th generation Camaro front brake kits, these kits will include a billet aluminum 4-piston calipers, billet aluminum brake cats, as well as rotors, caliper mounting brackets, Hawk performance brake pads, all the hardware you need, and especially want to note that these are made in the USA. Aerospace Components 2010 to 2019 Camaro rear brake kits include the billet aluminum direct bolt-on calipers with the billet aluminum brake cats, as well as the rotors, the Hawk performance brake pads, and all the hardware you're going to need. Here are some very important facts on the Camaro brake kits. The drag race version weighs 25.8 pounds total, which is a 46-pound savings over stock. And there is a 33 pounds of savings in total rotating mass. The street and strip version weighs 31.9 pounds total, which is a 40-pound savings over stock and a 27 pounds of saving in rotating mass. And lastly, the street and show version weighs 31 pounds total, which is a 40-pound savings over stock and 27 pounds of savings in rotating mass. Also to note, these brake kits will clear most 15-inch or bigger diameter wheels. So there you have it, another Kimmy's Garage episode explaining our new front and rear 5th and 6th generation Camaro kits. I'll see you again real soon.